How do I change an elements class with JavaScript? How can I change a class of an HTML element in response to an onClick event using JavaScript? Modern browsers have added class list, which provides methods to make it easier to manipulate classes without needing a library. Class list add, to add a new class name. Class list remove, to remove a class name. Class list contains, to check if an element has a class name set, and class list toggle, which sets a class name or removes it if already set. Unfortunately, these do not work in Internet Explorer prior to version 10, though there is a shim to add support for it to IE8 and IE9. The standard JavaScript way to select an element is using document getElementById. To replace all existing classes with one or more new classes, set the class name attribute. Document getElementById. My element class name equals my class. You can use a space delimited list to apply multiple classes. To add a class to an element, without removing affecting existing values, append a space and the new class name, like so. Document getElementById. My element class name plus equals my class. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.